videos. I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink fruit cookie. Yay! Let me show you what I did today. Ta-da! I made non-baked pink strawberry cheesecake. Yay! Oh my god, look! Isn't it beautiful? I know I already cut one piece out. So please watch first and I'm gonna try this later. Okay, let's start. I remember I used this couple times before, but today I'm gonna customize a little bit. I wanna make it even more tasty today. I almost forgot how I made it. Open the box. Combine crust mix, sugar, and butter. So I'm gonna mix in this bowl because I don't really have like pie dish. Instead of pie dish, I'm gonna use this. I always try to use dishes as less as possible, so I will definitely mix the crust here in the plate. White bacon chips. I still have some left. I kind of want to mix this with crust. Let's open this first. Put in crust mix. Put in some butter, already softened, and beet powder. Maybe I should mix with beet powder and butter first, huh? But too late. Let's see the color. And sugar. Okay, so far it's not really pink yet. Here I have white bacon chips. Let's put it into microwave 30 seconds. Alright, I put a tiny amount of candy color. Just with one drop, it goes like this much pink. Now, this chocolate I wanna mix here. Yeah, the color is not pink at all. Yeah, it became a little bit pinker. And now let's press and spread till the rim of the dish. Even I'm not baking, but it already smells good. Why is this? And I was gonna put some strawberry sauce on the bottom, but I noticed I only have this much frozen strawberry left today. Oh my gosh, only 4 of them. Okay, it's not enough. So I will add some real one, which I was gonna put on the top. Maybe we can use these 2 big ones. A little bit sugar. Microwave 1 minute. Now here I want to mash them. Alright, and I think I want to put it here, just on the bottom, you know. And number 2, fill and mix. I need to prepare some beet powder milk. Microwave this much milk. And here, I wanna pour maybe half of it first. I was more thinking about like a marble-ish, but it's not really working. Okay, just cover with pink then. I covered it. Okay, now it's pink cheesecake. Keep it in fridge for 1 hour and then I will prepare something else. So far it looks really good and smells good as well. Now I need to slice a lot of strawberries. Okay, I cut all of strawberries here. And let's check my cheesecake. Ah! Oh my god. Wow. So pink and looks pretty good. Okay. I want to place these strawberries like flowers, like flower petals. I like it. Okay, let's do this. Wow! Oh my gosh, look at this! And maybe I can put the Barbie plate here. Oh my gosh, now it looks so fancy. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I could totally sell this at bakery. Beautiful. Wow. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at this! Almost look like store made. Don't you think? It's beautiful. Yeah. I know the outside it doesn't really look pink, but you know, in my Barbie kitchen, it just looks cute. Aww. And inside it's super pink. So yeah, let's cut and eat it. I know I don't want to cut actually, but oh my gosh, looks so pink. Oh, it's pretty soft. Oh my gosh, looks pretty messy, but I don't care. Okay, let's eat it again. Ta-da! So heavy. A lot of strawberries. It's very beautiful, isn't it? I already took some on my Jonathan Adler Barbie plate, so I will try this. I know it looks pretty messy because the texture is really soft, but still, it looks so yummy. Oh my gosh, and really cute pink color. I customized the recipe a little bit, so it must be even more tasty today. Before I try, let me explain. So I use this Jello no bake classic cheesecake mix. So it's no bake. You don't need oven to make this cheesecake. And for the crust part, I use this mix beet powder to make it a little pinker, and also put some white chocolate chips. So the crust taste must be a little more chocolate-ish. Before filling part, I put homemade strawberry sauce on the bottom, and then I put the filling, the cheesecake filling, colored into pink with beet powder, and then I put a whole bunch of sliced strawberries on the top. It looks so pretty. Okay, let me try. せーの、いただきます。The color looks so pretty. Let me try without strawberry first. So good. I'm so proud of myself that I put little white chocolate in the crust. It really has nice flavor. And also the strawberry sauce part. It's so good. And let me have some with strawberry slice. You know what? So let's not think it's cheesecake anymore. It's more like fancy strawberry dessert. Seriously. It tastes really fancy. Can't stop it. I finished it. It wasn't even 2 minutes. Crazy. For the taste, actually it's one of my favorite dessert I've ever done. You gotta try this. See? Even with this one instant cake mix, with just a little idea, you can create something awesome like I just did. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.